Story about how I made my first embossed jean pocket. I printed my signature jean jacket graphic from Illustrator, used the Excel blade to cut out the V, and then I took some cotton fabric and traced it over. Well, I used 4mm cording to sew it to the cotton fabric by hand, following my graphic design. Well, it looks good. I can transfer to the pocket now. Now I need to make sure it's placed correctly. So I lay down the stamper on the pocket and put pins in 3 places. Now I can pin the cotton to the pocket, just like this. I'm using this zipper foot to stitch as close as possible to the cording. I stitched with matching thread to keep this in a place.
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's very hard to see. So after I stitch this with the contrast thread, you'll see it better. Now I'm nervous. This is the final stage. We have to be very, very careful. I'll turn off this camera. Okay, I'll record a little longer. Let's tie and clip all the threads and show it to Zoe first.
Does it look? Wow.
It's pretty settled, but it matches the jacquard. I'm very happy.